Hello guys, today's video will be the part 2 of how to use Mailchimp dashboard. After creating your account here, we have the recommended next steps based on your profile. So the first step is grow your audience, second is set up an automation and create your first email. Let's do them. You can capture new leads with sign up forms. You can choose it simple. Here, grow your audience with an embedded sign up form. Begin. Here, help us improve your chimp mail experience. Could take 2 minute survey to let us know where to win. Later. So, you need the email address. This this is your which will be shown to your customers. You can edit it, I think. Yes, you can edit it here. You can add last name and let's add birthday. Like this. Go back the settings, form title. I can disable JavaScript, the format option here. And you can show RQ links. And here we have advanced settings. We have tags here. You can tag a contact or add your live chat here. The badge style dark. You can upgrade your membership to access to more features. So here, this will be what your customer view on your website. Your form is ready. This is the code of your form. You can copy it and paste it on your website. Copy and paste into your website's HTML where you want the form to appear. Click copy and paste it later. So next we click on create campaign, regular email or automation. Let's try the regular email. So here we're gonna build an email. Choose an email builder, the new builder beta version or the classic builder. Let's continue with the classic builder. Select template. Waiting for the website to load. Here we have the layout, the theme, the save it template. Follow up. Let's choose the educate. You should upgrade your plan or you can try it for free. But you need to fill up your payment method first. So we can select products, choose select products future. I think it's the only one free. So here you will be editing the blogs, the style, the comments. Text, box text. Let's choose the box text. Showcase your products. Cool. I think your text will appear here. This is moving. So that's it. And you can add pictures. You can edit your content here. So this will be the word that's give interest to people to start shopping on your website. I'm just showing you how it will be looking. So after you're done editing this, you click on continue. Set the classic builder as your default email editor. Yes. You can click maybe later. So Mailchimp's analytics tools provide detailed insight into how your email campaigns are performing, including open rates, click-through rates, and conversion rates. This information can help you refine your email marketing strategy and improve your campaigns over time. So you can edit the name. It's now entitled. Edit it like email to, from, add your email in from. Two, you add your contact list, your subscribers or customers. Here we have the content, you can edit it, and that's how your email will look like to others. Here we have the analytics and statistics. We have your website, the content, integration, and settings. Here, the notifications, the profile, account and billing, pricing plans. You can hire an expert, and let's head to the profile. So Mailchimp is an excellent choice for businesses and individuals looking to manage their email marketing companies. You can upload your photo here. We have the basic informations. You can change your password here. We have the username, the first name, the last name that we fill while signing up. We have the website, and here we have the user type of your company. This is you and the only one on this company or settings. We have the details, account settings, the users, security settings, manage your data, pause or delete the account. You can delete your account from here. So I think to delete your account, you have to cancel your subscriptions, and here we have pause or plan, temporarily pause billing for my account, for my marketing free plan, or permanently delete this account. After clicking on continue, you will ask for confirmation. If they not, that's weird. Oh, we have closed survey. I'm closing my account and I'm taking a survey. Okay, that's a little strange. So, yes, this is taking too long. I'm catching up this. We are sad to see you go. Why are you closing your account? Select arbitrary reason. I don't like your campaign. Stuff changed. It's too expensive. My account was suspended. Difficult to use. Oh, they consider it all the possibilities. If you don't mind sharing which email marketing platform we will be using from now, none. I would like to do it manually. What could we do to improve? Nothing. Overall, Mailchimp make me feel indifference. It was nothing. If we may follow up with you regarding why you closed your account, please enter your email address. Permanently delete account. Type delete. Okay, I was too lazy to type delete. This is it. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And by clicking delete, my account is being deleted. And all of this, yes, close account confirmation. Thanks for watching. See you on next video.